Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Mom and Daughter. I'm going to talk about today's topic, and here today's topic, don't compare yourself to anyone. So let's start the topic. First of all, if you are not satisfied with your life, so watch this video until the end. Yes, this story is going to change your life. So once there was a crow, and the crow is very unhappy with his life, and he crying. And one day, the crow was crying, sitting on the tree, and under sitting on a monk, and the crow crying, and his tears drop the monk cheek. So he raised her head and saw the crow. So the crow was crying, and the monk asked, "Why are you crying?" The crow said, "Oh wise man, I am very upset with my life. I am not happy with my life. No one love me, and no one is give me the food to eat, and everyone hate me. So death is better than this life." So hearing the crow word, the monk heart felt with compassion. We should learn be happy in whatever condition you live in. But the crow was not understand the monk's word, and he and kept crying. So the monk said, "Don't be upset. What do you want to be? I can make you that mantra." So the crow was happy and blessed with one. "If you want to be me a favor, so please make me a swan." And he said, "Okay, I will make you a swan, and but first go to meet the swan, and meet, and you know he's happy his life or not. So you go and find out. I will wait for you here." And the crow happy and flew away meet the swan. So the swan swimming in the pond, and he meet his friend. He went to the swan, and he said, "How beautiful you are. You are as white as milk. So everyone love you. You must be a happiest bird in the world." The swan said, "No friend, I am not happy. There are so many color in the world, but I have nothing, and white is nothing. I think the parrot must be the happiest bird in the world. It's so colorful." And he hearing that, and the crow flew away and meet the parrot. He reached and said, "Parrot, you are so colorful, and you are so lucky, and you are so beautiful. So you must be the happiest bird in the world." So parrot said, "No, my friend, I am not happy. People keep parrot in a cage. I am always afraid someone hold me and lock me in the cage. So I think peacock is the happiest bird in the world." So the peacock is very colorful than me. So hearing the crow and flew away looking for the peacock. He finally find a peacock in the cage in the zoo. So hundred of people gathered to see him, and after he approached, the peacock said, "My dear friend, you are so." They immediately away. "I think you are the happiest bird in the world," the peacock replied. "I am happiest bird in the planet, but because of my beauty, I am interrupted in the zoo. When people pluck my colorful faith to make decorative things, so he hurt me a lot. I am not happy, my friend." The crow was surprised to hear that. Hear this to the peacock. So crow was very surprised and he asked, "Who is the happiest bird on the planet?" The peacock said, "I have examined in the zoo very carefully, and I realized that the crow only you the crow not kept in the cage. So you are the happiest bird in the world, and people don't try to catch you, interrupt you for few past days. I have been thinking it. I have been were a crow. I could happily roam everywhere, so I could be free." And hearing this, he come back to monk, and for the first time the crow was very happy because be a crow. He said on the wise man, "I don't want to be anything as I am very fine as I am." I am in our unnecessary comparison. So with others become. So you should learn to be happy. So what you we have instead of looking at. If you keep comparison yourself with others, so will not be happy. Who is satisfied with they he have is the happiest person in the world. So you are unique, and be consistent, and don't compare yourself. So do your work, and please share and subscribe my channel, and see you. Bye bye.